So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be solving this GFG problem of the day, which is rotate and delete. Again, the difficulty is mark medium, but the problem is pretty simple. Like you just have to know like what are the steps you have to perform, and like you all can submit it by your own. Okay, so I'll be explaining the approach. So let's directly read the problem and try to approach this. Okay, so given an array a integers, do the following operations until a single element is left. For every kth operation, what you have to do, you have to perform two operations. Okay, so rotate the vector clockwise by 1. Okay, so you have to rotate the vector element clockwise, means this way, by 1, and delete the n minus k plus 1th element, means the third element or the fourth element or the fifth element. So these two operations we have to perform. Now return the element that is left in the end. Okay, so let's see this test case and try to solve this. Okay, so we are given this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have to perform two operations. What are the operations we have to perform? Okay, so these are the two operations that we need to perform on the array, given array. Okay, so let's iterate. Okay, so let's say we are given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what we have to do, rotate clockwise by 1. If we rotate clockwise by 1, so what are all the next elements that will be in the array? Okay, so let's rotate. So it will be 6 1 2 3 4 5. Now first step is done. Now remove the n minus k plus 1th element, means what is the size of the array? 6. Okay, size of the array 6. Now minus k, we are on the first step. Okay, so let me write k is equals to 1. Minus k means 1 plus 1, which is equals to 6. It means that we have to remove the sixth element. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sixth element means here we have to see our next step, our array will become this after rotating. So we have to remove 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sixth element, which is 5, so we have to remove this. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so our next array will become, okay, done, because 5 we have removed. Now again we have to repeat the similar step. Okay, so rotate clockwise by 1 means 4 will come at front. Okay, so 4 6 1 2 3. Now again our k will be equal to 2. Again remove the n minus k plus 1th element, means n, our size is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 minus k means minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2 3. 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. Okay, so we have to remove the fourth element. So 1 2 3 4. Fourth element is 2, so remove it. Okay, so let's move to next step. So our new array will be 4 6 1 and 3. Now again we have to rotate. Okay, so after rotating it will become 3 4 6 1. Okay, so now k is equals to 3. Okay, so find the index, means what is the elements in the array? 4 minus 3 plus 1. 4 minus 3 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so second element we have to remove. So 1 2. Second element means 4 we have to remove. Okay, so our new array will be equal to 3. Okay, so we have to remove this. Here we have removed 2 3 6 and then 1. Just look very carefully. This is this main step. K is equals to 4. Now rotate the array. Okay, so 1 3 and 6. Now remove the element. Okay, so for removing we have to calculate the index. So the size is 3 minus 4 plus 1, means 3 1 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. So we have to remove the 0th element. Okay, so this is we have to remove. Okay, so now let's remove this. Okay, remove. Now our new array will be 3 6. Again k is equals to 5. Now rotate the array 6 3. Now our new what is the element, what is the index which we have to remove? So it will be the size of the array is 2 minus k, which is 5 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 2. Whenever it becomes negative, then what we have to do? We have to remove the first element of the array. Means we'll always we'll start removing the first element of the array. Okay, so you can read here, doing similar operations when we perform the fourth operation, fourth last element does not exist, then we delete first element, that is 1. Okay, so here, okay, this they have taken the example because we got zeroth element is not present. Okay, so they have started deleting the first element of the array, so they have deleted 1. Okay, next 6 comes here. Okay, again this becomes negative, so they have started removing the first element from the array. So I hope the approach is clear. So let's see the code, how we have solved this. Okay, so I have initialized k is equals to 1 and start doing a while loop until and unless the size of the array is greater than 1. Means if the size of the array is 2, 3, 4, 5, then we are running a while loop. If the size of the element becomes 1, then come out of the loop and simply return the element which is present in the array. Okay, so before that, what we are doing in the while loop is array dot insert, means in array we are inserting the element of array, and that to array dot size minus 1. Means array dot size means the size of the array minus 1, the index of the element, and the last element at the the last element of the array at the beginning of the array. Okay, so this side takes the position where you have to insert the element, and what is the element you have to insert. So I am inserting the last element at array of beginning. Okay, so what will happen, 6 will be inserted at the beginning. Okay, but 6 is still here. Okay, so what we have to do, we'll be removing this 6. Okay, so what I have done, 6 I have pushed in the beginning of the array and remove this. Okay, now what is the next step, the remove index. Okay, so array dot size means the current size of the array minus k plus 1. Okay, so this is the sixth element, the array size is 6 minus k plus 1, which is equals to 6. Sixth element we have to remove, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth element we have to remove, but what is the index of sixth element, which is 5. Means again we have to do in remove index minus minus. Okay, so I'm doing the same, or otherwise you all can remove the plus 1 and remove this step. Okay, it means that it will always give me the index of the element which we have to remove. Okay, so now our next step is, if remove index becomes negative, means less than 0, then what we have to remove, we have to remove the first element. Okay, then comes the next step, means array dot erase. What we have to erase, we have to erase the index. Means what is the way of giving the index, array dot begin plus remove index, means what is the index which we have which we have calculated from here. Okay, what we are giving in the array dot erase, the index, means from beginning what is the index which we have to remove. If we have removed the element from the array, then we are doing k plus plus, means just move to the next iteration. So finally we are returning the single element which is left in the array, and this is how we have solved this problem. Okay, so let's run this. By the way, the time complexity for this problem is, we are running a loop. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so we are running a while loop, so its time complexity is big of n, and every time we are inserting it and erasing it, so it is big of n and big of n, means n is the outer loop and inside we are performing big of n operation, so it will be big of n square. You all can see that it is big of n square. So we have achieved this time complexity. Okay, so as we can see that it has passed the test cases. So this is how we have solved this problem. So thank you for watching and having patience. So thank you.